The formula that we have B is equal to 703 times W over H power 2. B represented the body mass, and W represented the weight in pound. H represented the height. We need to solve for W. The equation that we have 703 times W over H squared is equals to B. We need to solve for W. It means we will divide by 703 because that's multiplication. So the equation now will be W over H squared is equal to B over 703. Because H power 2 at denominator, so we'll multiply it by H power 2. So the equation now will be W is equal to BH squared over 703. Number 2. What is the weight of a person who is 64 inches tall and his body mass of 21.45? You will find this question in SAT. You will find two questions related to the same point or the same information. The first one, we need to solve for one of the variables. The second one, we use this equation to find the missing information. W is required. If his tall is 64, it means H is equal to 64. And the body mass is equal to 21.45. So B is equals 21.45. Now we need to solve for W, as we said that W is equal B times H squared over 703. As we said that W is equal to B times H squared over 703 from the previous question. So now by substitution, so B which equals to 21.45 times H squared, which is 64 to the power 2 over 703. By using calculator, we'll find that W is equal to 124.98 pounds. Number 2. Ohm's law states that I equals V over R, where I is current in pressure and R is resistance in ohm. We need to solve for R. In this formula, we have I is equal to V over R, where V is a volt and R is ohm. Now we need to solve for R. Solve the formula for R. To solve the formula for R, we will start from V over R is equal to I. As you know that we can write I over 1 because R is written at denominator. So that will be R over 1. So we can say that the product of extremes equals the product of means. So it will be IR is equals to V times 1, which is V. But we need to solve for R. Dividing by I, then we can say that R is equal to V over I. Now we need to find the resistance if we have 22 volt and 0.5 ampere. By using the same equation, R is equal to V over I. By substitution, the volt is 22 and we have 0.5 ampere, so it will be 0.5 by dividing 22 divided by 0.5, which is equal to 44 resistance. In the next tutorial, we'll know what is the meaning of linear equation, what is the meaning of standard form, what is the meaning of x-intercept, what is the meaning of y-intercept, how to graph the linear equation,